Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to our session of the CodersTrust. Hopefully you are well and physically fit. Well, today our session is about designing an UI of the price table, which can be used in many purposes like the package design or membership packages and so on. If you see the example, actually, you can be clarified that. So before starting our main session, just I want to ensure that you are watching my screen properly and hearing my voice without any noise. So whoever in the session, hopefully you will comment. If you are logged in with your Gmail account, I think you can easily comment here. Well, there is a settings for the newcomer who cannot actually see my screen properly because the resolution settings is not set properly to your screen. In that case, actually, you will not see my screen properly. So you have to select your perfect resolution for the video streaming. So click on the settings icon, then go to the quality option and select 360 or 480, one of them. Don't select 240 or 144. In that case, actually, you will not see my screen properly and you cannot understand my code also. So it is highly recommended to use 360 or 480. That means above 360, you can also use a 720 if your internet speed is uh, very much faster than others. Well, I'm starting our session. If you have any problem, hopefully you'll comment here. I'll check the comment section in the regular interval. Okay. So today we're going to show something about the price table. We'll do some price table with basic HTML and CSS, and also we will use some CSS3 animation to make it more interactive. So let's take a deep, just we can say that name as package packages, and within the div we'll take another div for the right each package. That means each table will be here, and within table there will be some element actually. So for one, first one is title. We can make it h2, which is actually the package name. For the purpose, for the sake of the demo, we can assume that it is about the hosting and domain packages. So we can give some demo package name like that, basic. And the second one is the price. That is the price of the package. We can put it like 30 USD. And there will be some list of the services. So we can use the UL for the unordered list, but we use some list just for the features of the packages. So you can put some package feature like that, 1 GB space. I'm just cloning the LA and 10 GB bandwidth. domain, and you can see that one MySQL DB, and finally can make like that 5 email accounts. Okay. So this is our basic structure of the element. Later we can also make a button like the order now button, just to order the package. Okay, order now. So this is our basic markup has been created. The first one is the package name, then is the package price, then some features of these packages, and finally this is an order button. That means if you want to order this package, then you have to click on this button actually. Well, and we'll copy these three just with different. Okay, so it can be like premium, and price can be 50, and we can actually increase those like that. And finally we can make it pro, and it can be 100, and we can make it like unlimited. So just make it unlimited for everything. Okay, so our packages content also created. Now we'll go for the CSS for those elements. First one, the packages on this div. So we'll keep this div in the center of the screen. So for that we just use margin 0 auto to give some weight actually, like 1000 pixel. Okay, then we will go for each package, that means the each table actually. Virtually we can make it like that, and the width will be like 250 pixel. Okay, let me check my session actually if you have any comment. Okay, no comments so far. So hopefully I hope you are watching without any problem. So I'm going for this. Each package is 250 pixel in the width and can make a height like 400 pixel, and we can give some color. For color actually we'll not use this class because we will use the separate class, because the price table, the three different table will have the three different colors. So just to give some, okay, with height, and to make it also float, so that actually all are in the same line, and we also give some margin right on 40 pixel. Okay, now we'll go for some. Okay, let's see how now the markup is appeared. Okay, so you can see black and white screen, just our basic, and though this is like a table but without any color, any border, so just the basic structure has been created. Now we'll give some more color and make it more lively. So we'll use this color, flat UI colors. So for that we'll use the another class. For example, basic, we can use the basic class. For premium we can use the premium class, and for the pro we can also use another class named Pro. So those clouds will be actually used for the background color, different background color for the different packages. So for basic, we can use a background color like, okay, let me choose from this flat UI colors because I did not memorize all of the code of the color. So for the basic, we can use this one. Okay, then I'm just copying, and for premium, sorry, for the premium, we can use the color, this color. And for the pro, you can use the color, that one. Okay, so the color is small. Okay, so let's see how it appears now. Yeah, so three different color and three different table actually. Now we will give some alignment for the content, and the typography we should make it the white, because with the flat color actually the typography should be white rather than the black. So can make it the global each package actually. I think it should have worked here. Okay. Then I'll go for make it the center and make larger. So I use H2 for this purpose. So we can trace this H2 like that. Each case H2. That means the children of each package is H2 actually here, and we can make the font size bigger by 48 pixel, and we can also make the text center aligned. Okay. Now we'll go for this price. So for this price, actually, we'll do something interesting. We'll make a circle for the price, and the text of the price actually will be aligned in the center of the circle. Well, how can we make a circle? Yeah, there is a formula for the CSS. For make a circle, we have to make a div like same width and same height. Then the border here, there will be a property which is border radius should be 50%. Okay, so we used for this our price H3. So I will write code for the H3. Okay, each case H3, and I said that the height and which should be same. So height can use 200 pixel and width 200 pixel, and text align center, and font size you can use 72 pixel, and it is already color. Yeah, we'll give a background color so that the circle actually should be shown here. So we can use a color like that one, and finally I will give the border radius 50%, not pixel. Okay. Okay, now you can see the circle 50%. the circle has been created, but the problem is that the text is horizontally actually aligned center, but not the vertically. So we have to make it vertically aligned. For that purpose, we can use a margin top from circle. That means when we will use the not margin top, it will be padding top actually. So we can use a padding top, and then it will make some space in the top. Well, there is another problem. If we make the padding top, actually the height will be increased. For example, now the height is 200 pixel. So if we make a padding top like 100 pixels, so the total height will be 300 pixel. In that case, the formula of the circle actually will be broke to 300. So for adjustment, then we'll make it 100. Then padding top will be 100. So like that, padding top will be 100, and it will be 100. So now it is all over 200, but I think 200 will be, yeah, 200 is not perfect because it is taking more. So just I'm using 50, but it is not circle now. So we have to make this one 150. Yeah, it is circle. That means the formula is simple, that we the padding top actually is added to the height. So 150 plus 50, it is 200 total actually, and the width is 200 already. So the height same and the width are same, 200 200, and the border radius is 50%. So it makes a circle. So now we'll go for the next part, which is actually outside of the box, because our box is now is smaller than the content, so we have to increase our box height like by 50. Just okay. I think 600 would be fine because we have a button also. Well, we'll decrease later because there is some unnecessary space here around the circle. So we'll just remove that. For now, we'll just use an we'll make this list more perfectly aligned here. So we can trace this list just using same package class. So it is UL. We'll make it list style none. That means there will be no default style for the list. And for the LI, we'll make 100% width. Another thing is we should remove the default padding for the UL, because you may not know that there is a default padding and margin for the UL item, so we have to reset it. Okay. Now we have to remove the H3. There is also some margin padding for H3, so we have to make it like margin bottom 0. Margin top can be here because there should be any space. Yeah. Okay, I can make margin top like 10 pixel, and we can make the top also. So we can do actually same issues like that. That means now top and bottom 10 and left and right 0. Okay. And we can make also this circle some left spacing, because there is some white space in the right side, so we can make it the center of the box, the pricing table. So you can just give some margin left. Well, we can do that like 25 pixel. That means left and right it is 25. Okay, now it is perfect. Now we'll give some border for our list item, so we can use 1 pixel solid. Just it is actually white color, and you can make just the border bottom, not the whole border. We don't need it. And you can make the text center because it is now left aligned, so it doesn't look good. Okay, so you can see that it's now more perfect. And finally, we'll design our order now button. Then we can actually decrease the height of this our price table actually. Okay, let me check any comment. No comment. For order now button, just we release the class order now. So you can make a order now button. For the button, you can use the color. Okay, we can use a blackish color like that. Height will be like 40 pixel. It will be 120 pixel. Padlock and the margin 0 or true because I want to make it center. And color will be white. And font size will be larger, like 18 pixel. So let's see how it is now. Okay, and we make the text in center also. For UL, we can make some margin and padding in the top and bottom, so like 20 pixel. Okay, so text in center, and we can give some padding top and pixel, and we can decrease the height because padding will be added. Okay. So the now order button is created. You can make it bolder, the text of the order button. So you can use the font weight bold. Okay. Now we can reduce the height of the box. So we have given like 600. So it can be now 550 actually. So all the box has been created. So the content and the list and also the button. So now we want to make uh, some CSS3 animation so that it looks more lively. Just now it is the flat. So we'll use some CSS3 animation. For example, just we want to make it is bigger when the hover of any box. So we can use, for example, is package. So for is package, we will use a transition. transition, it can be 1 second, and a transition name like is in. The first one is the time duration. That means the time will take to animate this, and the second one is there is an effect name actually. How will it will animate? And when it is hover, so each package will hover. That means it is actually a pseudo. That's hover state. You can say that hover. So it will be transformed. That means the size actually will be increased like 1.2. That means it will be larger to its current size. So let's see. Yeah, you can see that just when hover, and it is just increasing by 1.2 times of its current size. So with just simple CSS3, we can make it more interactive and beautiful actually. And we can also make the circle. That means the circle we can rotate, so it looks more better. So what will it do? Just for H3, we'll use a transition actually, like same for mobile transition 1 second, and is in. We can use is in out. That's another effect. And when this package is over, then the circle will be H3 will be rotated. That means it will transform to the rotation. So we can use the rotate 360 degree. That means it will rotate 1 time. So let's see how it is happening. Yes, that's great. So you can just see that when it is hover, just the box is actually the size of the box is increasing, and the circle is rotating for one. That means 360 degree. Just make it here, and it is. So let's so by this actually CSS3 we can make it more beautiful, though it's in just a basic layout, but we can make it more interactive. Hopefully you have enjoyed this session. If you have any question regarding our session, please ask. Hopefully you have understood what we have done so far. So I'm waiting for your question. Meanwhile, I'm just showing something about CodersTrust, actually the vision of the CodersTrust, who are new actually to our session for today's. CodersTrust basically a Denmark-based company which is working for IT skill development in many countries, Bangladesh, India, Kenya, Bhutan. So our more countries are also adding to the list. So the purpose is not actually on developing the skill. Also, how can you use the skill to earn money in the global marketplaces? So it is you acquire your proper skill, and you nourish your skills, and you also prepare mentally and also psychologically for the client handling in the marketplace. So all about things actually can be done under the guidance of the CodersTrust expert team. CodersTrust, there are many courses. You can check the official website of the CodersTrust. So you'll see the course outline here, and also you can check the success story of this student who have already success in the marketplaces, who are working with success actually. So you can check those also. And for the payment and other issues, actually you can contact with this support. And there are some course outline like 5 month and 8 month, like that. So which one is suitable for you? Just you can start with that. So if you have the patience and if you are dedicated, but you are respecting a proper guideline, So actually, CodersTrust sure might be a best choice for your for your career plan and exploring your skill. Hopefully, you will enjoy the journey with CodersTrust. I wish you continue your uh, learning this web development skill. So, hopefully, there is no question. If you have any question, please just comment here. I'll try to answer. Okay, no questions so far. So I hope you have understood everything probably. So actually, it's my pleasure to see that. Further, you can see the total session just within the same URL. When I completed my session, you can see the total recorded version here. So whoever joined later, you can actually see the total video, play replay again. So don't worry about the missing parts. And if you have any question further, please don't hesitate to comment here. We'll try to reply your comment later. So take care. Good night. Hopefully, you will attend the next sessions also, our weekly session. Take care. Bye.